Hello there. I'm still experimenting with various things, and today I have decided to do another bottle bottom pour, but for months I have been struggling with the fact that I don't manage to cut the bottom piece off straight, and I've looked at several different methods, but so far I haven't really come up with anything that's satisfactory for me. So what I decided to do today was cut the bottom off one of my regular cups so that I could then sit my bottle bottom onto it snugly, put that down onto my canvas and get a straighter bottle bottom pour. And I've marked the lines out already with my piece of cardboard onto my canvas so that I can now sit this down in the middle and pour. So the colours I've decided to use today are more Halloween rather than Christmas, as that seems to be the next big festival that I can think of at the end of this month. And I've already put down a black base, Mars Black. I'm going to be using gold, orange red, metallic orange and yellow. And I'm going to be pouring them over the cup to see what I can get when I've got all the colours down I want to have on my canvas. I'm going to use a paper napkin to do a reverse dip. So I'll get started now. Okay, so I left it for a little while just to allow as much paint to drip down as possible. So far I'm very happy with what I've got. I've got to be careful taking it off because I've got to remember it's actually in two parts, my bottle bottom. So now I'm going to lift it up gently and I'm going to put some colour into the middle and then use my stick to make some patterns on the canvas before I put the piece of paper towel over it. I have to say, it isn't what I was hoping for, but it is as good as I can get. I am really happy with this. I'm finding the same lacing coming through with the gold as I get with my silver, and it's sort of interlaced very finely into those colours, which I love together because they're not just Halloween colours, the orange and the yellow, but they're fire colours with the red and the black. So that, I'm going to leave it now exactly as it is, and I will bring it up to the camera, closer to the camera, to show you in the light, particularly the very fine lacing, which I am so pleased with. Just trying to find the legs here so that I can lift it up for you to see. I like it on the diagonal. I just like it like that, and it is so pretty. And you can see closely, I don't know whether that's going to blur if I bring it too closely, but the little lacing effect around that centre area, and the black is just absolutely perfect as the background for it, and I'm just loving the colours of that. It's turned out very, very well. You may have, well, you would have noticed that I added 2 extra colours. I was losing the red again in my into the black, so I got a different red out. This is actually a crimson red that I made up recently. It is a Montmartre acrylic colour, and the colour is crimson, and it comes in a 300ml pot, and it's only $4.50 for the pot from Uncle Bill's here in New Zealand, and I'm really enjoying using it. It's quite a thick paint in the container, but it's it mixes up very, very well, and I'm finding that it is going to work out to be quite a versatile colour to use on my canvases. So I added that, and as well I added just a regular orange, because I found that the orange that I was using looked too much like the gold. So that's it for my painting for today. Once again, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.